Minor disaster here. Our dragon fruit plant broke, and that's because I wasn't supporting it, so it's really kind of my bad. So we're going to cut it off and make a cutting out of it. This is the dragon fruit cutting that I cut off about 4 or 5 days ago, and I've let the plant totally callous. It's totally dried and hard right here, and so now I'm going to plant it in a pot to hopefully prevent this from happening again. I've put 2 large stakes in the pot, really tall stakes, and I'll be putting rope around them so hopefully they don't fall over again. I did not bury it very deep, maybe 1.5 inches or 2 at the most, about 5 centimeters. It's been 5 weeks now, and you can see the new growth at the very top of the stem. Excellent. Dragon fruit seem pretty easy to make cuttings from. Be sure you let the cutting tip callus for a few days before planting it in your potting medium. Here's a look at the parent plant. It's doing quite well, but I need to add more stakes around it because the stems get heavily and it seems they break off quite easily. Happy gardening! For more gardening videos, computer tutorials, and general interest videos, see all my channel playlists.